Today I take you back to 2013, where NCS no copyright music was super popular. These kind of EDM songs were blasted in every Minecraft tutorial intro, so we are aiming for that kind of cheesy sound, and I show you the whole process from start to finish, so you can really learn something. Let's go. So for the first step I always start with laying down a nice chord progression. Something like this. I add the fifth. Yay. Now I just add some notes more to fill the chords up. I'm not thinking about theory right here, I just use my ears. So this is going into the right direction. A few notes more. Yes, that's okay. Now the bass notes. Yes. And guys, this is the whole chord progression for our song. Now I take some presets out of the EDM Sample Pack. And I bring this progression a half note down. The first preset sounds nice already. I delete these top notes though. And I think I change the envelope a bit to make it more plucky. And now I think I will layer it with a bunch of presets, and I will change up the envelope on the other ones also. Yay. I mix them instantly right here. Sounds dope, my boys. I can really feel how cheesy this track will be. Amazing. Now some sidechain. Now I try to come up with a little melody. I might change the preset later though. Trust the process, guys. That gets even cheesier. Let's change the rhythm though. Yes, it's worse now. I like it. Guys, we are almost there. Keep watching or I slap you. Just kidding, I love you. So I made minor changes, and I switched the preset from the Nexus 2 to the Nexus preset, both from the EDM Sound Bank. This one sounds better. And now I layer them with a few other presets and I mix them together. This one sounds dope. I mix it. This should be okay. Now let's add some basses. Oh yeah, this one's great. I add some sidechain to it. EQ it a bit. Maybe one more. Oh yes, this one. Mix it. Nice. Let's add crash for the energy. Reverb claps. Kick. I forgot to EQ the leads. I think I will add some reverb and link it to the peak controller. Right, for more energy. Some vocal textures. Now I try to make a little build up or even a verse. I will take out the sidechain in this section. And I think I will make a cutoff automation or something to make the track more interesting. And a Ruiz bass from the engine pack will fit very good right here. By the way, all the links from my EDM sample packs are in the video description. You can get every sound I use for this video for yourself. Now let's add a build-up sample. Yes. Maybe an impact also. And right here I introduce the lead melody with a cutoff automation. Okay guys, I made some minor adjustments to the track and now the drop is completely ready. Make sure to check out the Lion 2.0 sample pack if you want sounds like this, or if you want all my EDM sample packs in one big bundle, check out my EDM Essentials bundle. They will change your life. All the links down in the description below. And now guys, let's take a listen on how cheesy this track really has become. Let's go. Guys, thanks for watching. I love you.